friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600 and concept is subject verb agreement and logical meaning. Sentence says some scientists have been critical of laboratory tests conducted by the Federal Drug Administration on the grounds that the amounts of suspected carcinogens fed to animals far exceeds those that humans could consume. So first of all, animals far exceeds. This is what? This is verb. Something exceeds, right? And what will be the subject for exceeds? To justify, remember whenever there is group of words, subject will be before first preposition and that is amounts. Why not grounds and other things? Because from some scientists to grounds is a complete clause. And this is the real sentence, right? Some scientists have been critical of laboratory tests conducted by the Federal Drug Administration on the grounds. So this is a complete clause. After that, another clause starts, and that is the amounts of suspected carcinogens fed to animals far exceeds. So amounts exceeds, amounts plural number, and that is why it should be exceed, and that is why option A out, option B out, option C out. Left with D and E. Now exceed by far those able to be consumed by humans, passive form. So this is incorrect. Why? Because active is preferred instead of passive voice. Anyway, see by far and far. Remember the meaning of by far and far is near about same. But here by far means very much, excess. Far means much. So here this is redundancy. The reason is what? Exceed means already increase. By far means very much increase, and that does not suit here. Exceed far is better. Now the second point, that by far can be placed after exceed. So answer is yes. Why? Because adverb can be placed before verb, after verb, and even verb after that noun and then adverb. So there is no particular location of adverb, yet we have to take precaution. So placement of by far is not a problem. The problem is by far, and the sense of by far is excess, and that is why this is incorrect. So option D can be eliminated on the basis of two things. Number one, redundancy, by far. Second, passive form. Remember, instead of able to be, can and could is preferred in sentence correction. Alright, instead of able to be, can and could is preferred, and now E becomes best option.